Make sure that pillar is aligned properly. I don't want any mistakes. No problem, sir.
Okay, we don't reach your stop. Yes, thank you. So, sir, this is the place they are building.
Good afternoon, sir. Who you dey find? I'm looking for the owner of this building. Tell him his uncle is here. Uncle Obi, good afternoon, sir. How are you, Emeka? Wow. So this is the small building you say you are building. Uncle, yes, so this is small compared to what God will still do. Hey, uncle, the reason why I called you here is to give you something. Uncle, this is the money you requested last week for your business. Asked for 2 million, but this is 4 million. Thank you, my son. May the gods of our land bless you. Uncle, I have to do other things now. Wow. So this boy is building this big house and all he could give me is just 4 million. He is building this edifice. Meanwhile, none of my sons even has a land. Over my dead body, this won't happen. Over my dead body, this won't happen. Hello, Great Igudu. Are you at the shrine now? I am coming for something very important now. I will see you in 30 minutes. Over my dead body, this won't happen.
He's the Holy Ghost, Spirit of the living.
All enemies planning your downfall, I command them to scatter now. No one will ever stop your progress.
Like and share this video. Also, make sure you follow this account so this prayer works for you.
Vic Bust.